Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate WhatsApp messaging and add leads in Google Sheets for Facebook lead ads. So here I am managing a digital marketing agency, and to promote my business, I am using Facebook lead ads. So basically, I am running an ad campaign on my Facebook page, and now my objective is that as soon as I am going to receive a new lead for my business through Facebook lead ads, automatically that lead should be added in my Google Sheets so that I will be able to create a record of that lead systematically. And also then I want to send a WhatsApp messages in the personalized format to that same lead. Along with this, I also want to receive a notification as WhatsApp message for that same lead with all the details. This is a long process, so I want to automate this entire process. For that, I'm going to simply set up the connection between all these applications without any coding and any programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to learn this amazing automation for your business step by step, and you want to see how this automation is actually going to work, for that I will take you towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So in this video we are going to learn how to automate the entire process of WhatsApp messaging and adding the details of leads in Google Sheets for every new Facebook leads. So here I am promoting my digital marketing agency with the help of Facebook lead ads. So basically I'm running an ad campaign on my Facebook page, and to generate the leads I have also created a lead gen form. Now my objective is that every time I'm going to receive a new lead according to the interest for which they have submitted the response, I want to create a systematic record in my Google Sheets, such as the name of the lead, the email, their phone number, the service in which they are interested, and their company name. Along with this, I also want to instantly send a WhatsApp message in the personalized format to each of these leads with the help of AI Sensei. And also after that, I want to receive a notification on my WhatsApp regarding the details of the lead as a new lead alert message. So this is definitely a long process, but here I'm going to simply automate this entire process by simply setting up a connection between all these applications: Facebook lead ads, Google Sheets, and WhatsApp by AI Sensei. And we are going to do that without any coding and any programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect, as you know, is an amazing automation and integration software which helps us to automate all our daily repetitive tasks without any coding or any programming skills. So let's get started quickly. This is the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by typing the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, we will find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account in just 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, as an existing user, I'm going to click on sign in directly. This is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. It has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. On the dashboard, we will find all the workflows which we have created. And to save these workflows, we can also create separate folders. Now to create a new workflow, let's click on this create workflow option. A dialog boxes appear in front of us, so you can give any name according to your choice, according to the reason you are creating this automation to your workflow. I'm going to give a name to my workflow as automate WhatsApp messaging and add leads in Google Sheets for Facebook lead ads. After giving the name, I'm going to select the folder. So among the list of folders, I have a separate folder for all the automations related to Facebook leads marketing. I have selected that, and now I'm going to click on create. As we have done that, a new screen is open in front of us that contains two extremely important windows: trigger and action. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation works. The trigger says when this happens, and the action says do this. That means the action is a response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now let's suppose my objective is that every time a new lead is received through Facebook lead ads, the record of that lead should be recorded over here in my Google Sheets. So over here, let's suppose I'm going to take Facebook lead ads in trigger and Google Sheets in action. When we are going to build the connection between these two applications, we will clearly see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands, because when the trigger happens, that means when the lead is received through Facebook lead ads, then only the details of that lead will be recorded in Google Sheets and not before that. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us quickly start creating our automation step by step. To start with the process, first of all, because my objective is that as soon as the lead will be received in Facebook lead ads, the response should be captured in Pabbly Connect, and with that response the workflow should get start. So our trigger application over here will be Facebook lead ads. Let's select that. Then we have to select the trigger event, that will be new lead instant, because I want to capture the response of every new lead instantly. Then let's click on connect. To build this connection, we have two options, add new connection and select existing connection. So in case if you already have an existing connection, you can just go with that. But to create a new connection, you have to log into your Facebook account, as I am already logged in, and also I have switched my account as a page, as my Facebook page. And now I'm going to simply click on connect with Facebook lead ads. As we have done that, the account is detected, so I'm going to click on my account. I will click on continue. And as we have done that, you can see our authorization has become successful very easily, and the connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is also built successfully. So now we have to select the page and the lead gen form, on which page you are running your ad campaign and which page you want to connect with Pabbly Connect. So this is my page which I am running for my digital marketing agency, and also I'm running my ad campaign over here only. So I'm going to select the same digital dynamics. Then we have to select the lead gen form. So I have created multiple lead gen form in order to generate the leads, but I have to select a specific one. So here I'm going to select new form which I have recently created. And now when an interested lead in any of my services is going to visit my ad campaign on my Facebook page, they are going to submit the lead gen form according to their interest. I'm going to receive the response. But now here we are going to click on simple response button. We will turn simple response button on, and let's click on save and send test request button. As we have done that, a test response is received over here, as you can see, and also it is showing waiting for webhook response. So now it is waiting for the response. How we are going to capture that? By simply doing a test submission. To do the test submission, we have to submit the lead gen form which we have selected over here. And to submit that form, I'm going to take you towards Meta for developers. We will go towards resource section, and here we have the option of developer tools. Under developer tools, we have the option of lead ads RTO debug tool. So let's select that quickly. This is lead ads testing tool, with the help of which we are going to test our connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So here we have to select the page. Our form is already selected. So now we'll click on preview form to submit this form. But in case, because we are doing a test submission over here, so in case if the form which you are using is existing, you also have to delete the existing lead from that form so that we can send a new one. And as we have done that, let's refresh the page once. Once again, we will select our Facebook page over here. And the form is already selected. So now I'm going to click on preview form and I will submit it. So basically this is an inquiry form which I have created for generating the leads. These are the fields which I have used. First of all, the type of service in which the client is interested. Then we have the best time to contact with the client. Then we have their details. Then we have the company name. So when an interested client is going to submit this form, I'm going to receive the details of that client with all the exact details which they are going to submit. Then further, I will be able to create a record of that lead. I will be able to connect with these leads and convert them into payable customers. So here, in order to capture the response in Pabbly Connect so that we can continue our workflow, I'm going to do a test submission. Let's start with the interest. Let's say the person who is submitting this form has the interest in website design. Then we have best time to contact, let's say morning 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. The first name of this lead is, let's say, Amazing, and let's say the last name is Lead. Then we have the email. Let's say the email is amazing@pabblytudes.com. The phone number of this lead is, let's say, and the company name is, let's suppose, Amazing Company. Just a random details. I'm going to submit this form, and as we have done that, let's go back towards Pabbly Connect now. Now we are going to wait for the response for a few seconds. And the response is received. So in the response, we have received all the details. We have the service in which the client is interested. We have the contact time. We have the first name, the last name, the email, the company name, the phone number. And these are the exactly same details which we have entered while submitting the lead gen form. This means our connection is absolutely successful between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. Currently, I'm not running any live campaign on my Facebook page. Therefore, I could not send the response of a real lead. But in your case, when you will be running a live campaign, every time a new lead will be received, the response is going to be captured once you will complete this connection successfully. Okay. Now, our objective is to create a record of this lead in Google Sheets. So now we have to build the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. Let's go towards our action step. Let us select our action application as Google Sheets, and let us select our action event. What we want to create a new row every time a lead is received through Facebook lead ads. Let's click on connect. We have two options over here for building this connection. In case if you already have an existing connection, just go with that. You can see I am already logged into my Google Sheets, so I'm going to go towards add new connection to build a new one. Let's click on sign in with Google. Here we have to select our account. Then we have to provide the permission to Pabbly Connect to access our Google Sheets. Okay, let's click on allow. As we have done that, the authorization has become successful and the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect is built successfully. So now we have to select the spreadsheet name, in which spreadsheet you want to create a record. So you can have multiple spreadsheets in your Google Sheets. You have to select a specific one. The name of my spreadsheet in which I want to create a record is new leads detail. So it is already selected. Then the sheet is also selected because I only have one sheet over here. Now we have to enter the name, email, phone number, service which is required, and the company name. These details are the same as we have the columns in our spreadsheet. So one by one, when we will enter these details, the record will be added in Google Sheets. But because we want to automate the entire process, we could not add the details manually over here. We have to make the data which should be dynamic. Okay, so for that, instead of entering the data manually, we will map it. This is the previous response. We have received all the details in our previous response of the lead. So we will simply map the first name over here. We will use a space. We will map the last name. In this way, when we will insert the data from the previous step, we are making it dynamic. That means with each and every new response, automatically now it is going to replace. So when we will map all these details, automatically whenever a new lead will be received for our business through Facebook lead ads, the details will get replaced. So now in the similar manner, we are going to map the email. We will map the phone number as well over here. We will map the service which is required, and here we will map the company name. Done. We have mapped all these details. So let's click on save and send test request button. The response is captured. It is saying that in this particular range, the data is updated in your Google Sheets. So let's go and check whether the Google Sheet is updated with this data or not. Yes, the data is updated. We have all the details over here. This means our connection is absolutely successful. Now, after this, we want to send a personalized WhatsApp message to this lead. So for that, we are going to set up the connection between AI Sensei and Pabbly Connect. AI Sensei is the API application which we are going to use for sending the template messages in the personalized format on WhatsApp. So for that, let's click on this add action step button. We have to build the connection between WhatsApp by AI Sensei and Pabbly Connect. That will be our action application over here, WhatsApp by AI Sensei. We have to select the action event as send template message. Let's click on connect. To build this connection again, we have two options. I will show you to build a new one. So let's go towards add new connection. We have to provide a token. So for getting this token, the instructions are given over here, but I will tell you how to get it. So let's go towards AI Sensei. From the left side here, we have the option of manage. And after coming on manage section, here we have the option of API key. This is our API key which we have to copy and paste it over here. Let's click on save now. And as we have done that, the connection is built successfully. So now it is asking us the campaign name, mobile number and other details. Campaign, what is this? So when you are going to send the message, you have to create a template for that, by using which you are going to send personalized messages. Then after creating that template, you also have to link it with a live campaign. You have to enter the name of that campaign over here in this field, and then you have to use it. So I will tell you what you have to do. This is the template section we have, and these are all the templates I have created. So for sending the messages to my leads for digital marketing agency, this is the template which I have created. I'm going to link it with a campaign. You can see this is the preview of my message. Hi name, thank you for showing interest in digital dynamics. We have received your inquiry about this particular service. We're excited to help you take your business to the next level. Okay, this is the exact message, and you can see I have used two variables in this message for the name and for the inquiry. When we use variables in the template, the data of these places are going to replace automatically, and we are going to in this way send personalized message to each of the client, each of the lead. Okay, so you can also create your template in the customized format along with multiple variables as you want. Once you will complete the template, it will be approved, and when it is approved, then you will be able to use it in order to link it with the campaign. So I'm going to launch a new campaign in front of you. Let's go towards the campaign section. Let's click on launch. We will select API campaign. Let's say the name of my campaign is New Digital Dynamics Leads. Okay, then we have to link the template. So the template name is Digital Dynamics Lead. This is a template. This is the preview. We have linked it with our campaign. So let's click on set live, and we'll click on go to campaign. The campaign is ready. It is live, and now we are going to simply enter the name of this campaign inside our Pabbly Connect account, which we have already copied. Then it is asking us the phone number of the person to whom you want to send this message. The receiver of the message is the Facebook lead. So I'm going to simply map the Facebook lead's number over here. Then we have the username. So the user will be the receiver. So name of the lead will be over here in username. Then you do not have to enter these details. Just go towards template parameter. In this field, you have to enter the values for each of the variables which we have used in our template. So I have used only two variables in my template. First for the name and the second is for the inquiry. I will enter the values for each of them. First of all, the name. first name, a space, and a last name. Now for the second value, I will use a comma, a space, and then I will map the second one. In this way, if you have used more than one variables in the template, you have to enter the values like this. Okay. Then if you want to attach any document, product, or service catalog with the message, you can enter the file name and the URL over here in these fields. Now I'm going to directly click on Save and Send Test Request button. As we have done that, it is saying that yes, the message is sent. So let's go and check whether the message is received on WhatsApp or not on the number which we have mapped over here. And yes, the message is received. Here we have, hi amazing lead. This is the name of the lead. Thank you for showing interest in digital dynamics. We have received your inquiry about website design. So you can see in the place of variables, the data is automatically added, and this is a systematic message. This means our connection is successful up till now. After this, I also want to receive a notification as a WhatsApp message along with the details of the lead which we have received. Once again, for that, we have to set up the connection between AI Sensei and Pabbly Connect. Let's click on this add action step button. If you want, you can just clone the step directly and change the necessary details, but I will show you exactly all the steps once again. So here we have the action application as AI Sensei once again. Now we are going to select the action event, send template message. Let's click on connect. We will go with the existing connection only, which is already made. Then we have to launch another campaign. So once again, I will go back towards AI Sensei. We will go towards the templates section. And for receiving the notification as lead alert for Facebook leads, this is the another template which I have created. New lead notification. Here we have all the details, name, service inquired, email, and the contact. So these are the variables which I have used. Okay, so now we are going to link this template, new lead notification, with another campaign. Let's launch another campaign now. New lead alerts. Then we have to select the template name over here. So here the template is selected. We can see the preview. Let's click on set live. To set this campaign live, let's go to campaign. Here the campaign is ready. So I'm going to simply copy the name of the campaign quickly. We will go back and paste it over here. Done. Now we have to provide the mobile number on which we want to receive the notifications. I want to receive the notifications myself for the lead alert. So I'm going to enter my own phone number over here. The username will be the name of my company only. And now we are going to enter the parameters quickly. So the first variable which I have used is for the name of the lead. So I'm going to quickly map that. Then with a comma and a space, the next variable is for service inquired. So I'm going to map the service name, comma, space. The third variable is for the email. So let's map the email address, a comma and a space. And here I'm going to map the phone number for the fourth variable. Okay, after doing all this, let's click on save and send test request button. The response is received. That means the message is sent. So let's go and check on WhatsApp whether the message is received or not. And here the message is received. So you can see we have received all the details, name, service, email, and the contact of the leads. This means our connection is absolutely successful. So now let's quickly summarize what we have done actually in this video. We have taken very simple steps, trigger and action. In trigger, we have taken Facebook lead ads, and in action, we have taken Google Sheets and WhatsApp by AI Sensei. We have connected all of them in such a way that now every time a new lead is going to be received from Facebook lead ads for our business, automatically the record of that lead will be created systematically in Google Sheets, and also personalized WhatsApp message will be sent to that same lead to connect them quickly. After that, at last, we are also going to receive a small WhatsApp notification about the details of the lead as a lead alert. So I hope this automation is clear to you. It is helpful for your business. This will take just 10 minutes of your day in order to create this automation. Once you will do that, then you do not have to do anything. All your leads will be receiving personalized messages. You will be able to connect with them quickly, and you will be able to convert them into payable customers effortlessly. Thank you for watching this video. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.